Okay, this video is about booting up Linux Mint 18.3 Cinema Edition. This is I have a playlist on YouTube. It's called My Multi-Booting Guide. Hexa Boot Linux Mint. I will show in the video here. Forgot to set this up. Okay, I have I finished installing the Linux Mint. So I have the Windows 10, Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, and Manjaro. I'm planning to have up to 30 operating systems on this notebook. What is a UEFI guide, and is a 1 terabyte hard drive. I want to install those 30 operating systems on this computer before I move to another computer. I probably might build a desktop computer instead of using a laptop or a notebook computer. So I just want to show that. The booting up, so it's possible to have multiple operating systems on a computer, but there is no guides. You only find guides about dual booting and maybe triple booting, but to quad boot, penta boot, hexa boot, or more operating systems, there is no guides. I can't find guides on the YouTube or on the internet, so I want to make the tutorial, a video tutorial, and after I have everything done, I will have a website. On my blogs, I will have a step-by-step guide with screenshots doing the installation and everything. So right now I save everything to Google Photos. And that's it. So my the next video that I'm gonna do It's gonna be with the KDE Neon, and it's gonna be the next multi-booting video that I'm gonna have. It's gonna be KDE Neon, Debian. Actually, I will wait for the next Debian. Maybe I'll use the 15.5. Actually, I think I will wait for the next one. In January, we will have another one. I will wait with Debian, but I will install Dev1. When in April I will install each version of Ubuntu 18.4. I will install Elementary OS, all version of Ubuntu, and also some I will install OpenSUSE, Chakra Linux, PC Linux OS. I will have up to 20 operating systems there, so I will see Gentoo, Manjaro, I forgot the name of the other operating system, but it's going to be all GNU/Linux operating system with Windows 10 in UEFI mode. So that's it for now. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe, and please like, and I'll see you in the next video.